It's really, really cold here.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I talk about men's fashion and vintage fashion. Have a happy 2019 guys. I have a lot of ideas for this channel that I want to put in more videos, so more content is coming. So let's start with the thrift haul. I bought some stuff through the holidays that I will show you. So let's start with two vintage sweaters that are this one and this one. So I need it. So this is a yellow and red sweater, totally 90s. I love the pattern, it's so lit and cool. And I bought the two sweaters for €5. This is a purple sweater. I like all the geometric patterns and the details of this sweater, and it's perfect for winter. It's so cozy. Then I have some sweater vest. This one and this one. This is a gray sweater vest and I like the pattern that is so vintage. I don't have a sweater vest like this, so when I found it I was really happy about it. This is a normal purple vest. I like the color, so I took it. We have some ties, vintage ties. This is a vintage striped tie. I like the colors. It reminds me of Harry Potter. I don't know why. And this is the other vintage tie. I liked all the details about this tie. There are a lot of details. Finally, I bought also suspenders and then I bought those suspenders. I like the colors of those suspenders, and also are my fourth pair of suspenders, so is another add to my collection. And I also bought this item that paired with the color shirt and the suit looks amazing. Have a happy 2019. This was my first video for this year. More videos are coming, so like, comment, subscribe, hit notification bell so you will know when I will put my next video. And I will see you soon, guys.